Hello, everyone. We're almost over. So my name is Alex Rojas. I made an app called Tesla Private Network. And a little bit about myself. Same old. Traveling, reading, working out, meditating, whatever it says there. Oh, I love rockets. And I add the last one. I'm a big Tesla enthusiast. I say that because I'm going to start landing why I did the app that I did. A little bit about Tesla. They make cool cars. They make amazing cars, actually. They are 310 miles range, and basically they are a very software managed car industry. That it's actually the only car company that is in Silicon Valley. There's not in Detroit, so it's pretty cool. Something's not working here. There you go. There's a small issue with the company, though, because they're ramping up production. They are the only way to charge a car is like an iPhone. You go back home, you charge it in your garage overnight, and the next day you have your full tank, or I should say battery. They also have supercharging network that you go like a gas station and you charge in 40 minutes. The problem is that right now there's 12,000 cars in production per week, which is still low compared to other companies. So when you go to the Tesla supercharging, it's kind of crowded. So Tesla owners have started doing, sorry for that. These are actually the network from Tesla, from the superchargers. So Tesla owners have been actually providing their own chargers to other Tesla owners. Meaning that if you're in Orlando and the Tesla charger is full, you go to our website, which actually is really bad. I was supposed to put a picture of that website here, but it's so bad, I didn't put it. So they actually post like in a blog, and they look like, oh, you're here in Orlando, sure, can I share your charger? Sure, come on over. And you gotta call them, not even email, kind of like, what? So because of that, I came up with the idea, and it's called, this is actually the mechanic charger for a Tesla by itself. Before showing you the app, though, my challenges. You already hear React, I don't know about that. But there's also React Redux that basically it's a way to manage the database that you're going to show based on whatever the user is going to do. And mainly developers use it in big applications, obviously not this one. And I decided to learn by myself on the final project. Not a good idea. Took me like 3 days figuring it out. Then I was trying to figure out another way to secure when a user logs in. And normally when you log in, you create a session. But there's also what's called JW2D code, which is a library in JavaScript. That when you log in, you log in and you go to the server creates a token, sends you back to your client, to your computer, to your browser, and it stores the token. So wherever you go to into the site, you need to keep the token. The token eventually expires, but it's in your computer. Another thing that I had to learn by myself, it was a challenge. And Heroku. I'm not going to go because you all heard what Heroku was the challenge for everyone. Feature development. My main idea was actually to add a map so you can see it. But because I had so many delays, I wasn't able to put the map. But that's something I would add with a Google Maps API. Probably would take 1 day. And then create a private chat. Right now it's kind of open. And then make appointments. Now let's see the app. There you go. I use very basic Bootstrap to make it look cool. A black shadow there. So you already saw on everybody's app that you can sign up. We don't want to see that. He's going to log in. And there you go. I'm not going to start my computer. So now you have the private network. You can go there and see every profile. It's like a social media. I didn't add pictures. The reason why I didn't add pictures, I added at the beginning, I deleted, is because this is an app where you're going to actually meet the other people. And you don't want to be prejudged or judge the other person, like, oh, a kid is coming to charge his car. No. So I just deleted the pictures. On the basic information you see at the beginning, you just see the name, if he has a supercharger, if he's willing to share it, and what kind of car he has, and the address by the state and the zip code. These were supposed to be the map, which I'll add it. And then if you see the profile, you can just see his whatever information they put, like this person, my friend Ken. She has a cool YouTube website where she talks a lot about Tesla, and we're not gonna see that now. And you can do the messages that I was talking about. So as you can see, there are people already. Some of them I don't know who they are. I guess they were testing, which is cool. My friends, like Levi's, thank you. And like this person says, sharing charger at Orlando, let me know. So you can just go and say, sure, I got one. Then when you go, you submit, it's gonna be there. It automatically shows the messages, and you can see all the dashboard, and you can edit, of course, your app. You can see all different messages that people do, and yeah, if I'm not forgetting anything, I don't know what that is. That is my app. Thank you.